In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in CapCut PC. If you want to set the mood for your video with great background music, there are two very easy ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll show you both options so you can choose the one that works best for your project. The first method uses CapCut's built-in stock music library, which is great if you want something quick, convenient, and ready to use without leaving the editor. To begin, go to the top left navigation bar and click Audio, then select Music. Once you're there, you can browse through different categories such as pop, travel, vlog, or beat. These categories can help you find a style that matches the tone of your video, whether you want something energetic, relaxed, cinematic, or fun. As you browse, hover over any track and click the play button to preview it. This is helpful because you can listen before adding anything to your timeline and make sure the music fits the pace and feeling of your edit. When you find a song you like, click the blue plus icon. CapCut will instantly place that track onto the green audio track below your video in the timeline, making it very fast to start building your soundtrack. The second method is for adding your own music files from your computer. This is the best option if you already have a specific song, background track, or sound file you want to use. To do this, click Media in the top left menu bar, then select Local. After that, click the blue Import button, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I to save a little time. Choose your MP3 or WAV file from your computer, click Open, and then drag the file from your media bin directly onto your timeline. That gives you full control over using your own audio inside the project. Once your music is added, the final step is making sure it doesn't overpower your voice or main audio. Click the music clip in your timeline, then go to Audio and Basic in the top right panel. From there, lower the volume slider to around -10 to -15 decibels. That range usually works well for background music because it supports your video without becoming distracting. You can also adjust the fade in and fade out sliders to give the music a smoother beginning and ending, which helps the whole edit sound more polished. And that's it. You're all set to add music in CapCut PC and make your videos feel more professional and engaging.